Leadership is one of the courses that we run most frequently. The idea is that it's a 3-day course where we really start the first day looking inside. What are your strengths? How do you confront conflict? How do you manage different situations? And then through that self-discovery process, we're able to then look forward towards tools that can be used on teams or in different settings, both organizationally and personally, to have more success.
I think what distinguishes this course from other leadership courses I'm aware of is that our belief is that in order to serve in a leadership position, one has to take the time out initially to spend on self-reflection, on self-awareness, on emotional intelligence.